This is what Hamas uses to make its rockets: water pipes. It's an unconventional approach, to say the least, repurposing water pipes into rockets. These pipes come from a remarkable source: a $100 million donation by the European Union for water infrastructure in Gaza and Palestine. Hamas's transformation process involves digging up these pipes, cutting them into sections, processing them in makeshift workshops, and attaching explosives. This process raises concerns because, despite their limited industrial capacity, Hamas can produce a significant number of rockets from recycled materials. The homemade rockets lack accuracy, making it challenging for Hamas to precisely target Israeli locations. In response, Israel employs the expensive Iron Dome defense system to counter these threats. However, the production costs of Hamas's rockets remain significantly lower. This means they can manufacture a larger quantity of weapons, presenting a challenge for Israel in maintaining the fight using expensive weaponry. Hamas has been using homemade rockets, such as Qassam missiles, against Israel since 2001. Currently, they possess an arsenal of 6 missile types, including long-range options like the J-90 and J-80, capable of reaching Tel Aviv, and the R-160 missile for targeting Haifa. The SH-2021 missile boasts an impressive range of 220 kilometers.